You've got one, Nikki, to kick things off. What is yours?
Tony and I were talking to Libby because she had baked us cinnamon rolls yesterday.
Who's Libby?
Libby is our assistant producer.
Oh, that's right.
You talk to when you call in.
There she is.
Yeah, and so I was explaining to her one time I had to make because she was giving us the recipe for the frosting and stuff like that, and there's powdered sugar in it. And I was doing a recipe one time. I didn't have powdered sugar, so I looked up what can I do if I don't have this?
Yeah,
and they were like, just powder it yourself. And they were like, take the sugar.
You can make homemade powdered sugar. What?
That's crazy.
Wait a second.
Powdered sugar.
It's just chopped
sugar
up
that's
sugar.
chopped up.
What the?
And it totally worked.
I was like, of course it is, but also my brain exploded.
No,
I was
this is blowing my mind
I never
right
really
here.
thought about it. It's not a different kind of sugar. It's just sugar that was powdered.
It was pulverized sugar.
Will, my mind has been blown.
My mind is blown. I've been blown by this. I'll tell you that.
At least it's something.
And it's a sweet, fun fact.